In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your inventory within your Shopify store. Whether you're just getting started or polishing your store's operations, understanding how to handle your product listings effectively can save you time and effort in the long run. Let's dive into these simple steps to get your inventory under control. First, navigate to your Shopify store's homepage by logging into your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be able to see your store overview and access various management tools. For managing products, we need to head to the Products section. To do that, look for the Products tab in the main menu on the left side of your Shopify dashboard. After you've clicked on the Products tab, you'll be directed to a page displaying all the products available in your store. Take a moment to scan through your product list. Here, we are going to locate a specific product we wish to manage. In our case, let's focus on Example Shirt 2. Click on the product name to open the details page for that specific item. Upon opening the product page for Example Shirt 2, you'll see all the necessary details. What we want to do next involves adjusting our inventory count. Look for the option labeled On Hand, which represents the stock level you currently have available. Click on it to access the inventory adjustment tools. Once you click on Hand, you'll notice an option to Adjust by Zero. This feature allows you to make changes to your current stock count. Even though it says 0, you can adjust the figure according to your latest inventory check. Now, click on New to incorporate any changes you're implementing. This is essential because it ensures all new entries and adjustments are correctly recorded in your inventory management system. Finally, don't overlook the importance of documenting why these changes are being made. Click on Reason to provide a clear rationale for the adjustments. Whether it's due to a recent physical inventory error, returned items, or a supplier mishap, keeping a log of why adjustments are made will help maintain accuracy and transparency in your product management. As you follow these steps, remember to save any changes you make. This is crucial to ensure that your inventory levels reflect the accurate stock count, which is particularly important when processing orders and forecasting future needs. With these straightforward actions, managing your Shopify store inventory becomes much more seamless, ultimately leading to an efficient and successful business operation. Stay organized and always keep a proactive mindset when handling your store's inventory, and you'll find it much easier to keep everything running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you on your Shopify journey.